All right. First thing we're going to do is solve a problem that has distributive property in it, this one and that one. So the first problem we're going to do is this one right here. So the 3 is going to multiply with everything inside of the parentheses, making it 6x and a minus 12 equals negative 18. I just dropped that down. Then we have to solve this two-step equation, which we've done a couple times. What number do you get rid of first? The 12. It's the last thing that's going to affect the x. So plus 12, gone, plus 12, leaving us with a 6x here and a negative 6 here. Then you divide by 6, x equals negative 1. Okay, here. So the 2 is being distributed, 2 times x and 2 times 5. That's going to be 2x plus 10, and then nothing happened on the right, so 4x minus 11. So now we get rid of the smallest x, which is that one, minus 2x. It's gone, but whatever you do to one side, you do to the other, minus 2x. We're left with a 10 equals 2x minus 11. I'm going to get rid of the 11. The 11 is the last thing that affects the x. Add 11, gone, add 11. 21 equals 2x. Then I'm going to divide by 2. Divide by 2. This doesn't divide perfectly, so you could leave it like this, but I know that 21 cut in half is 10.5. So I'm just going to write 10.5 equals x. All right, next topic. Infinite solutions, one solution, no solution. So with infinite solutions, once you simplify, because this is not simplified yet, if you simplify this one, 5x plus 3 equals 5x plus 3. So once you simplify, if everything is the same on both sides, this is going to be infinite solutions, because both lines, because that's a line and that's a line, both lines are actually the same exact line. So that means they're going to hit each other for an infinite amount of times. Now these two lines, one of them is going at the speed of 8. The other one's going at the speed of 7. Okay, this is the slope, the rate in which the line increases. So if one of them is faster than the other, they're going to hit one time. So this has one solution. Now in this one, they're going the exact same speed, okay? But they're starting off in different spots, meaning they'll never run into each other. So there is no solution for this. Okay, so this has no solution. And then my last one here. So now we're going to be doing inequalities and graphing them on a number line. So we're going to solve it just like we solved the two-step equation. Subtract 7, gone, subtract 7. 4x is less than 20. And then we're going to divide by 4. Divide by 4. X is less than 5. So now on the number line that I'm going to make over here, all right, there's going to be a 5. You're going to make a circle above it, okay? You do not fill it in, you leave it open. You'd only fill it in if this said it could also equal 5, okay? So all of the answers are less than 5. So that means all the answers are in that direction. All right, let's do this one. So we're going to subtract 4 on this side, subtract 4 on that side. Negative 3x is less than or equal to 12. Then I'm going to divide by a negative 3. Now dividing by a negative 3 on both sides, or multiplying by a 3 on both sides, or a negative, dividing by a negative on both sides, or multiplying by a negative on both sides will cause a reaction. Okay, this will be x. This will now be this. You see how the sign changed? That happens if you divide or multiply by a negative number on both sides. Then this number here is going to be negative 4. So now on the number line, we're going to find a negative 4. There it is. The circle gets filled in now because of the line. And all of the answers are greater than negative 4, which means it's going that way. And that's it.